Una sa ating mga balita, tiniyak ngayon ng Malacanang na iba yung magsisikap ang Administrasyong Aquino upang mapaunlad pang lalo ang ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Binigyan din ito ng palasyo matapos na mapabilang ang Pilipinas sa 100 bansang may malaking potensyal ng pamumuhunan. Base sa latest Forbes list, nakuha ng Pilipinas ang 87th ranking sa hanay ng mga bansang malaki ang potensyal sa pagnenegosyo. Ayon kay Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Balte, mataas ang ranking na ito ng Pilipinas kumpara sa ibang bansang ASEAN gaya ng China at India.
We note also that the ranking went up in terms of monetary freedom, in terms of innovation, and this is very important. Likewise, we went up in terms of the ranking for investor protection. And as you know, that is one of the things that concerns the President when it comes to doing business in the Philippines. We've always said that the President has always been pushing that we level the playing field when it comes to not just foreign investors but to domestic investors as well. So it's a very good indication that our ranking went up in specifically when it comes to investor protection.